So let me launch Eclipse. So now you could see I have already, I have already loaded the programs here. So let me teach you how do we run the TCP server program and client program. First, you have to run the server first. You have a server program that is being loaded into the Eclipse by the name TCP server. So I'll run this program. Once you run the program, server is waiting for a client, that is any sort of request from the client. Then go to the client, you run the client program. Once you run the client program, client connected to the server, enter the file name to request. That is which file you need to access the data. Okay, F followed by slash. Okay, so johar.txt. So I'll enter it. So online class COVID-19. So I could be able to access the data from johar.txt. Right, this is how we execute a client server program. Coming to the UDP communication, that is we have sender receiver. First run the receiver. Okay, run the receiver first like a server as you have done. So I'll run the receiver. So what happens? Receiver is waiting for any sort of a message that has to be transmitted from the sender. Then I'll go to the sender, desender. Then I'll run this program, desender. So when you run the desender, it will ask you enter the message that has to be transmitted. So I'll just put from the sender, I'm sending it. Okay. So now this message has passed to the receiver, that is hi, hello. Okay. At the receiver end also, you could see the same message that has been transmitted. So this is way how we have executed the two programs.